Good morning, team. Welcome back to Glenn's workshop. So we're finally going to get onto these drawers. We got a little bit of a collaboration with my boys. So what we're going to do is I'm going to get my oldest to do this one and then my youngest to sand this one away. So we're going to sort them out with some sandpaper. I'll jump onto the big one and we're just going to hand sand them. I don't think we're going to go too crazy with any belt sanders or anything like that. I don't think we're going to need them. But we'll get everyone set up with some sandpaper and I'll get you in a holder and we'll go from there, I think. Alrighty, we'll get some boys some sandpaper.
Yellow one. White one for Daddy. Is it going to be the white one for you, Dad?
Yeah, we'll always use the same stuff.
Yellow. Yellow too. I forgot to use the yellow one. No, yellow one. There is one.
Right, there we go. So you all know what to do, hey?
Yep.
So all you need to do is you just need to sand it like this.
Like that?
Yep, just sand it like that and sand all the white off. Yeah, it's not going to take too long to do. So if it gets a little bit gusty, then you can brush it off your drawers and then just brush it onto the top.
Okay, Dad.
There you go, mate. You want to brush it off and then continue sanding?
Do I do that bit?
No, not yet. So you just want all that white paint off. So you see all the white paint? And you want it down to looking like that there. So see how that looks? You want it down looking like that everywhere. Okay, good boy. Yep, continue sanding now. We're going to try and get the white off. Right, use this. No, you got to use the sandpaper. You got to use the sandpaper. Don't worry about the brush. Yeah, you just keep sanding. Don't Daddy show you? Daddy show you. Look. So you just keep sanding. Yeah, you use the white one. See? See, look at that. See, it's gone. See, look at that. Look how good it looks. Yep. Good boy. Yep, well done. Keep on going. Yep, you can brush it all off. Yep, well done. Good boy. Yep, and you let them use the brush to brush all the stuff off, and then you can brush your one. Yeah, once he's finished, then you can brush your one. And brush it all off. Good job. All coming off, son?
That is better than.
Yep. So you just, I'll give you a little bit of this stuff here. You don't want to push too hard though, because it'll leave scratch marks, and then you've got to use your upside down, mate. Yep, that's the one. That's the one. See how it leaves those scratch marks? All finished? Right, you want to come up here and help Daddy with his one? Yep, do you want to brush this one? Okay. You want to brush this one for Daddy? Nice job. How's that looking? Awesome. You just want to do a little bit more. You still got all this white paint there, so you want to try and get all that little white paint off. You want to come up and brush this one up here for Daddy? Yeah. Come brush this one up here for Daddy. Good boy. Brush it all onto the ground. Nice. Yeah. Yep. All the way along. Good job. Right, you can go back to brushing your one now. Good job. Is all the white gone? Is all the white gone? How about on the top here? Can you get that off? No, you got a sandpaper. You got to use the sandpaper on that one. Good boy. Well done. Good man. Good job. Keep sandpapering. Is all the white gone, is that? Nice. Right, do you want to flick it down on the ground and get that stuff off? The stuff? Yep, see if you can get that stuff off. If you can't get it off, then what we'll do, did you want me to grab some stripper and we might try and strip it off, eh? No. You want to try and sand it first? Yep, do you want to try sanding it for a bit longer? And if we can't sand it, then we will strip it off. Yep. Is all the white gone? No. Yep, you can help Daddy up here, eh? Good one. Have you done more? Okay, thank you. Coming off, mate, or do you want me to use the stripper on that white?
It's still staying there, see?
Should we use a little bit of stripper?
Bye.
Bye-bye.
Yeah, it's leaving some.
Okay, mate, did you want to bring them both up this way? And we'll grab the stripper out, eh? Hey?
Are you done with dusting off there?
Yep, right, bring it up here and we'll grab some stripper.
They're right there.
Right, so we do have a little bit of stubborn stuff that we'll just use the stripper stuff again and make it a bit easier on it.
The cars.
Yeah, so it's just made for all paint. Where's your brush? On the ground over here, mate. Over here. Yeah, hang on. We're going to use something different now. We're going to use this stuff here, hey?
Stripper.
And yeah, we'll just try and get rid of it like this.
But is it actually called stripper?
It is, mate. Yeah.
I thought.
What would you like to do? Did you want to brush the side of this one? See, look at all that. We've got to try and get all that off.
Daddy, he wants to put on the ride-on.
Okay, you can get on the ride-on if you want to.
Oh, Baba, that is all the stuff what's coming off the dresser.
He can play with it, mate, if he wants to. It's nothing major.
That was really sweet.
So what we'll do, we'll just let that do its thing for a little bit, and we'll see if we can get some more off. We might actually,
I think on my dad's channel we'll do some more cars soon.
right. Yeah, we might just paint the side of it, hey? To try and get the paint off, you see?
Can I paint it, Dad?
I'll put the stuff on, and then you can help me take it off with a scraper. We're not painting it. What we're doing is we're trying to get the paint off.
And then we'll paint it.
And then we can paint it later. You want to help Daddy paint it later?
No, I can't.
Why you can't? Of course you can. Right, we'll just let that do its thing for a little bit. Oh, that's heaps, isn't it?
Hey, Baba, don't put on the ride-on. Yeah.
Can I find the scraper, mate? I think the scraper's up there somewhere. Good boy.
I'm looking for a spray paint and it's not there. You probably left it on the table when you were doing the cars.
Rightio.
We can't go open it.
Right, the looks of it, the stripper's going to definitely do the job to get it off. Just make sure until you touch the stripper.
Papa, don't touch it, okay? No, but Papa, don't touch it. Sorry, Papa. So do I just scrape it down, Dad?
No, we'll wait till it bubbles. So we've got to wait for it all to bubble. So see how it's starting to bubble now? So yep, what we'll do is that we'll just quickly do a little bit here. Then I come around here, yep. Then I come around and have a look over on this side. Come around and have a look on this side and see what Big Brother's doing. You see how he's scraping it off?
Yeah.
Yeah, it should come off really easy, mate. You should be able to just give it one good push. Yep, so you keep on going. Yep, we'll just leave it for a little bit longer because it hasn't quite bubbled. Do you want to come around and do this other side?
This side?
Yep.
Oh, has a bubble.
Yeah, see it's starting to, so that's good. So what we've done around this side, we're going to have to scrape it off. You don't use the brush. So what we've done around this side, we've just literally put the stripper on and it's just starting to work quite good now.
Dad, it's
No, I'll show you this one here.
Why?
I'll show you what we're going to use, eh?
Yeah.
So what we'll do, we'll just wait for Ollie. So we'll just, oh, there goes the bike. So we'll just wait for a little bit and we'll just try around this side, mate. Because this side's going really, really well.
Can I do it, Dad? Can I do it? Wow, there.
It's cool, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yep, okay, off you go.
I do it.
Yeah, so you help brother.
My car.
Yep, you can help brother, so both hands on it. That's the boys. Yep, and have it nice and flat. And you want to dig into it. That's good job, boys. Well done.
And it's really scraping off the Hot Wheels again.
Yeah. Oh, hold on. Let it go for a second.
Is there any more things? Help, Daddy?
Yep, you can help. Good boy. Okay, what we might do, just let it go. Oh, we'll just see what comes off. We might have to put some more stripper on. Should we put some more stripper on?
Yeah. And look at the picture. Hey, Dad. Hey, Dad.
Hey?
Look at the picture. Hey, Dad.
Looks like a picture. A little bit, yeah. Right, we'll just have a quick look around this side and we'll... That's looking really well now. Yep, you push it towards this way.
I can't.
Well, come around this way. There we go. Now, yep, you got to come up here and you push it in this way, see?
This way?
Yep, good boy. Good job. And then this one here.
Yeah. Can I do it now, Dad?
Okay, you help your brother do it.
I can't.
Yep, you help your brother.
I can't. That bit there's not coming off.
That's okay, because we can sand that off, remember? We'll just grab a... Should we use a little bit more stripper on the side? We'll just grab a brush. Grab a brush, eh? Yep.
That thing comes off, Dad.
Yeah, that's cool. What we might do is we'll just leave it for a little bit longer.
My rudder. Here. No, not my rudder.
Yeah, you can have Daddy brush this on. You ready?
Yep.
Yeah, and then we want it on the white.
Right.
Yeah, and we'll put it on the white stuff.
I can't.
Yep, you're doing it now. Well done.
I can't.
What can't?
See,
Yeah, you do it.
I can't.
And then up.
I can't.
See? Nice and easy, hey?
I can't.
What do you mean?
Can't.
Good job. See? See? Look at it bubbling already.
Can I do that bit?
No, not yet. We'll wait till it bubbles a little bit more.
Then I can do it.
Yep.
Oh no, all the Hot Wheels are getting saved by the enormous giant.
See? So whatever doesn't come off this time,
Yep, we're doing
then
it.
then we'll just use the sandpaper. Can you help Daddy come wash it?
Yeah.
Yep. Is it bubbling, Ollie?
I'm just scratching off the sides. There's some bubbling up slowly.
That's it. Right, leave that here.
There's some that's funny and some that don't.
Okay. Alright, sorry about that. We just had to clean the brushes off because you got to try and get that stripper stuff off the brushes quite quickly, or else it might start doing some damage to your good brushes. So we just got a second coat of stripper on there now, and it's definitely bubbling way better. Yep, you go for it. Hold 2 hands and then push it against the wood really hard. That's the ticket.
Thank you, Cop.
That's the ticket.
Thank you, Cop.
Oh, this is quite good. Delegating the work out. Yep, just make sure it sits flat against the wood. Good boy. Yeah, it's not flat yet, mate, you see, so you gotta make sure it's flat against the wood. See, if it sits flat, it comes off really nice and easy. So just make sure it sits flat. That's the ticket. Good job. Yeah, and then you can start coming down like this. So.
Oh, that's hard.
Get that little bit.
There's some right there.
Yep, so we'll just try and get this little bit there.
Can I go down the right arm?
Mm-hmm.
I like the right arm.
So all in all, I'm pretty sure the wood's going to come up absolutely beautiful once we get everything off. So I think what we might do now is just allow all that to dry, and then we will get back to the sanding job on the side of it anyway. So might just do a little bit of this top. It's actually coming out really, really nice. My apprentices have moved on to doing something else. So that's okay. It is quite a slow process, but if you just take your time with things, it works out to be a lot more enjoyable than trying to rush through everything. You can't make them flat. Why are they making flat for? Right, I think I'm pretty much good for the rough sanding. Rightio, so now that we've got that top looking not too bad, now that I've actually got everything off it, there's actually a lot of deep little scarring going on. Can't quite see it in the stands, but once we get down quite close you can actually see all these little marks. There's not many of them, but ideally we want to try and get all them out, and because we're going to try and keep the wood as natural as possible, we don't want to fill it or anything like that. So what we might do is that we might just sand it down a little bit more and then try and get down to the level of below the little ruts. Right, so I've gone over with the rough sandpaper, and then I've gone over with the about 220 I think it is, or 240. So now we just want to have a look and see what kind of grain it's going to give you. So the good thing and the bad thing is it'll give you an idea on what it's going to come out like. The only downside is it actually gives you a really good idea on what you've also missed as well. So it's a good idea from time to time to just wet a little rag. Don't ever put too much water because you don't want it to do any damage to the wood. But once you've given it a good wipe over, then you can see the real colour it's going to come out. See, so that's going to be really, really nice. I'm really wrapped with that. We still have a fair bit of sanding to go though, because now that we've wet it, now we can start to see things like this. And these ones up here as well. So that just means that there's little divots on top of the desk. But it's okay, it just means that we just need to do more sanding. But I love the look of that colour. That wood grain's beautiful. Look at that. Well, it's going to turn out absolutely awesome. Alrighty guys, I think that's a good place to end this one. Thank you for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one. Thanks guys, bye. Bye. Say bye bye. Bye. Cheers guys, bye.